Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add sky in Picsart. So let's begin. All open your Picsart application. So now here you can see this plus button on the middle. Tap on this to create a new project or open a new project. Now here you can select any of these projects, your untitled project or a blank project. Select any one of them. Here you have entered this editing platform. So in order to add sky, just press on this sticker icon. Now here on the search option, tap on search and search sky. So when you search sky, there will be different type of sky option. Some of them are free, but some of them have to be paid. Select the ones that are free, so they have been imported here. Now you can even adjust the opacity of them, adjust the things, and at last tap on the stick button. So yes, this is how you add sky in Picsart. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you.